Okay, imagine this. You're chilling in space, floating around like a lost astronaut, when suddenly you spot it. A black hole. It's not a hole exactly, more like a dark, glowing donut that eats everything. Your brain says run, but your curiosity? Yeah, it says, let's get closer. So what happens if you actually fall in? Let's find out. You start moving toward it slowly. No big deal at first. But then, space starts acting drunk. Stars behind the black hole start stretching like cosmic noodles. Light itself is bending around it. You're watching the universe glitch in real time. Every part of your brain is screaming, nope, but you're hypnotized. And then you cross the line, the point of no return, called the event horizon. Once you're past this, not even light can escape. Basically, congratulations, you've just ghosted the universe. Now things get freaky. Gravity starts pulling harder on your feet than your head. If you're falling feet first, your body begins to stretch, then RIP. NASA calls it spaghettification, yes, that's the real term. You've officially turned into cosmic pasta. Don't worry though, we're keeping you alive, for science, of course. Let's see what happens next. As you fall deeper, something wild happens, time itself goes crazy. From your point of view, everything feels normal. You're falling, probably screaming. But to someone watching you from far away, you start moving slower. And slower, and slower, until you just freeze. You'd look like a glowing statue, hovering on the edge of the black hole forever. Meanwhile, billions of years could pass outside, galaxies could die, and you'd still be falling. Congratulations! You've become an eternal space meme. But what's inside? That's the biggest mystery in the universe. Some scientists say you'd get squished into a point smaller than an atom. Others think black holes might be portals, wormholes that lead to another galaxy, or another version of reality. Imagine popping out in another universe, a universe that feels straight out of ancient legends, where titans still roam, strange creatures guard glowing rivers, and the sky itself shifts colors like liquid fire. Everything looks both ancient and futuristic. No one knows for sure. Because once you're in, you can't send a text back saying, yo, it's wild here. So yeah, falling into a black hole? 0 out of 10 would not recommend. But it might just be the universe's coolest mystery. Stay curious, and keep your distance from cosmic donuts. Here's a scarier thought. What if the giant planet that's been protecting us from deadly asteroids just disappeared? What would happen to Earth if it wasn't there anymore? We're diving into that next, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and get ready for another trip through the cosmos.